Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make a job in SolidWorks 2025. This job request my Facebook friend. He is a university student. Today I am going to make this job. First of all, open the SolidWorks software. Then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to select right plane and sketch. Now draw the sketch from origin. Draw the horizontal line and select vertical and select angle and select horizontal line and select vertical line. Now give the dimension, go to smart dimension. Now select this line dimension, give the value 5. Now this line below 5. Now this line below 2 and this line below 2. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now give the value extrude 5. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to this plane. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now select this plane and sketch. Now draw the line here. Select and select and select. Okay. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 4 and this line dimension 2 and this line dimension 1. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here select surface face plane. Now select this plane. Now give the value here 2. Okay. Now go to again isometric view. Now go to select this plane and sketch. Now draw the line here, select. Now select here. Now give the this line dimension 2 and this line dimension 1. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and extrude. Now select this line. This point and this point connect. Okay. Now check here. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here select extrude to. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plain white. Now go to select metal. Metal select. Now go to select metal. Now select here lead. Now select this Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now make our job. How to save this file? Now go to file and select save. Now here select the job name. I am going to name mechanical parts. Mechanical parts or extrude parts as well. Mechanical parts. Now I am going to here select folder desktop. Now go to SolidWorks part save. You can change value next time. If you save this platform, you can change the value anytime. Okay, I am going to save here. Okay. Now you can here go to. Now you can change. You can open this folder. You can change now value. You can change. You can change the value. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now you can save the PDF. Now go to file and select save as. Now here select folder desktop. Now here select PDF format PDF. Okay. Now go to again here. Now you can open this PDF. Okay. This is your PDF file. If you want to save JPG, now go to file and select save as. Now here select JPG. Okay. Go to desktop, same name, save. Okay. Now you can check here JPG. So today I am going to save many type file. You can save PDF, you can save JPG, you can save SolidWorks original file. Okay. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box. Our online class one-to-one you can join anywhere in Bangladesh in the world. Okay, thank you.